Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Clara. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I'm still thinking about the art exhibition we visited yesterday. It was such an interesting experience.
Yes, it was amazing. I enjoyed every part of it. I feel like I saw so many new ideas and colors in the artworks.
Exactly. I loved how each painting had its own story. Did you notice the abstract piece in the main hall?
I did. That painting with the bright blue and orange colors really caught my eye. It made me feel happy and energetic. I think the artist wanted to show hope and change.
I agree. The mix of colors made it feel like a sunrise. I also enjoyed the sculpture in the center of the room. It was simple, but so powerful.
Yes, the sculpture was very interesting. I liked how it was made of metal and had smooth, curving lines. It seemed to represent the flow of time.
That's a nice thought. I think art can make us feel many things. For me, the exhibition was not only beautiful, but also inspiring. It made me think about my own creativity.
I felt the same. Walking through the exhibition, I noticed many details in the paintings and sculptures that I had never seen before. It gave me new ideas for my own projects at work.
Speaking of details, did you see the landscape painting in the second room? It showed a quiet forest with soft light, and it made me feel calm and relaxed.
Yes, I did. The painting was very peaceful. I think it reminded me of my childhood walks in the park. The gentle colors and the soft brush strokes were very soothing.
I love how art can bring back memories. It was also interesting to see some modern art pieces that used mixed media. They looked very different from the classical paintings.
Absolutely. The modern pieces were very creative. One of them used pieces of fabric and paper. It was like a collage that told a story about everyday life.
I was surprised by that. I always thought art was only about painting on canvas. But these pieces showed me that art can use many materials.
Yes, art is everywhere. It can be made from any material. I think that makes it so unique and personal. Did you have a favorite piece from the exhibition?
I really liked the abstract painting we talked about earlier, with the bright blue and orange colors. It made me feel joyful and hopeful. I also enjoyed the small series of photographs in the corner. They were black and white and showed old city streets.
I liked the photographs too. They were very clear and told a story of the past. I think they gave a sense of history to the exhibition.
Yes, it was like traveling back in time. I also appreciated the way the exhibition was arranged. The lighting was soft, and the quiet background music made it a peaceful place to look at art.
The atmosphere was perfect. The gallery was spacious and well organized. so you could really see each artwork without feeling crowded.
I felt comfortable and had plenty of time to study each piece. I even sat in one of the chairs for a few minutes just to absorb all the details.
Me too. I think the curator did a great job. The descriptions next to each work were simple and clear. They helped me understand what the artist was trying to say.
That was very helpful. Sometimes I feel lost in art when there is no explanation, but the notes made everything more accessible.
Do you think you learned something new from the exhibition?
Definitely. I learned that art can express feelings and ideas without words. I also learned that even simple colors and shapes can create a strong emotion.
I learned that art makes us think and feel. It can make us happy, calm, or even curious about our world. I want to try creating something simple myself someday.
That's a great idea, Daniel. Maybe we can join an art workshop sometime. It would be fun to learn painting or drawing together.
I would love that. It seems like a great way to practice creativity and relax.
By the way, how did you feel about the overall experience?
I felt very inspired and moved. The exhibition was not just about looking at art. It was about feeling the emotion behind each piece. It made me think about my own life and what is important to me.
I feel the same. It was like a journey through different emotions. I left the gallery feeling more positive and hopeful.
I also appreciated the discussion area where people could talk about the artworks. I overheard some visitors sharing their thoughts, and it made the experience even richer.
Yes, I think discussing art with others can deepen your understanding. I had a short conversation with another visitor who told me that the abstract painting reminded her of a sunrise on a new day.
That's beautiful. It shows that each person can see something different in the same artwork.
Exactly. Art is very personal. It can mean different things to different people.
I'm glad we had this conversation, Clara. Sharing our thoughts about the exhibition helped me see the art in a new light.
Me too, Daniel. I always enjoy talking about art. It makes me appreciate the beauty around me even more.
Do you plan to visit more art exhibitions in the future?
Yes, I do. I love exploring new galleries and learning about different art styles. I also plan to visit a local museum next month.
That sounds exciting. I am interested in a modern art exhibition coming to our city soon. Maybe we could go together.
I would love that. It is always fun to share these experiences with a friend who loves art as much as I do.
I agree. It would be great to learn together and discuss our impressions afterward.
Thank you for spending time with me today, Daniel. I feel very inspired by the exhibition and by our conversation.
Thank you, Clara. I enjoyed our chat and the opportunity to share my thoughts. I think this discussion has made the experience even more meaningful.
I hope we can continue talking about art in the future. There is so much to learn and see.
Absolutely, Clara. Let's keep in touch and maybe plan to visit another exhibition soon.
That would be wonderful. I'll look for new exhibitions and let you know.
Great, I'm excited to see what new art we will discover.
Me too. Thank you again for this lovely conversation, Daniel. It has truly enriched my day.
Thank you, Clara. I feel the same. Have a great rest of your day and enjoy your creative journey.
You too, Daniel. Goodbye and take care.
Goodbye, Clara.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.